So we've been searching for a house to buy in the Sunshine Coast that we can renovate. We think we may have found it, this house here. It's at Maroochydore. It's in a really good location, 200 meters from the water. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house, original pretty much inside, and it really is just screaming out to be fixed up. It goes to auction this weekend. We'll see how we go. We've been beaten a couple of times before because of people mostly buying on emotion, but hopefully we'll be able to pick this one up at the right price. Hey everybody, this is Steve Nahuson, and we're in the business of flipping houses. A couple of minutes ago I showed you a house at Maroochydore that we're looking to buy. On the weekend was the auction. We went along hoping to buy it. Unfortunately we didn't quite make it, but we did finish as the highest bidder. So that puts us in a really good position to then negotiate with the agent on a price that's good for both us and for the seller as well. Today is 2 days after the auction. Jenny has been tic-tacking back and forth with the agent, and she's just about to make a phone call to them now.
Okay, I'm going to call Bree and just tell her where we're at. Hey, Bree, how are you? It's Jenny. Yeah, we've given it some thought. We've done a lot of research today and talked to builders, and our reno budget's going to come in quite a bit more than what we thought. Cost of building materials and labour's gone up, but we've run the numbers on that. Yeah, we thought about the 940. We were starting at 920, so 930 was more than what we wanted to pay. Do you think they'd still come down to 930? Yeah, they were 950, that's right. And you know what, yeah, let's just do it. We'll do it. We'll make it work. Yep. All right, thanks, Bree, and thank you for all your help and your work on this. We appreciate it. Thanks, Bree. Bye.
So what'd she say?
She said, great, they're going to get the paperwork done and
that's fantastic.
Over to us, and we've bought ourselves a house.
Woo!
Project underway.
Yay! Henry, what do you think, buddy?
It's scary and exciting at the same time.
Are you going to help? Are you going to be a tradie dog? No? Looks like we got a project. That's fantastic. How exciting. So the property settles in 60 days. So that gives us 2 months to plan our design, lock in our trades, and make sure that we've got everything ready to go by the time it settles. I really appreciate you tuning in, and please stay tuned for all the future episodes as we transform this very original house into something that somebody is going to absolutely love living in. This is Steve Nahuson, signing off.